In this video, I will show you how to record CPA marketing content that give me good results. To do this, we need to go to YouTube and we need to find high value content that provides. High value that is really important. For example, let's say we want to search for something like how to learn Python. Now everyone wants to learn coding is an expensive skill. So here you can see that there are many courses that offer great value that actually take you how to do programming, how to do Python. So for example, look at this complete learn Python course for beginners. So what we're going to do is we're just going to open this video. Then we're going to click and share here. And then we're going to click here on embed. Now I can just copy this whole thing. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. Now we need to go and create a bridge page, and for that I'm actually going to use Google site. Now here you can see I've already prepared something here. You can see the Python tutorial, and here you can see the link for 4 hours. And now what I have to do this, I just have to click embedded here and then click embedded code here, and then I have to paste it here and then click here and click next, and I actually embedded this video here on the insert, and it's done. I can drag it, and this is to make it a little bit bigger. Something like this is good. And then what I need to do is actually I need to create a content shelf, in this case a video content shelf. Here we use the CPA method. First you enter the CPA marketing site. If you have not registered on this site, you can easily complete your registration using this section. After logging here, create a new video locker and then agree to the terms and click here and continue. Now I need to create a like, so here I say something like earn Python. Okay, here it says complete the survey to unlock this protect. Content is good to unlock this course, and I'm going to use a different template here. You can see I'm going to use one of these templates when you click on style here. So what we are going to do is actually we're going to go here in Google image, and here we're going to have Python. Let's search, and I need to use one of these images. So let me just find one of these images. So I'm going to click here, then I'm going to copy the link to this image, paste the link here, click refresh here, and here you can now see this blue letter. After you are done with everything, just click save here. Now you have to click here to embed the code, and I'll simply set up the code. Now I have to go back here on the Google site, and then I have to click here and I have to add that code here and click next, and here you can see what it really looks like. So what we need to do at this point is to start promoting my bridge page, because you can simply use Quora. For this purpose, search in Quora for something similar to how to learn Python. So here you can find many answers. You can find questions that have very high visitors. So when I scroll down here and click more, I can only scroll to the bottom of this answer. Here you can see over 700,000 people have seen this answer. Imagine how many clicks That is actually how many hits this person has sent to all this website here, how much money you can make. You can also go here on Reddit, and here you can search for Python, and here go here to famous. You can see there are tons of Python related famous where you can share your white paper to people who want to learn how to Python